cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night. Conceal it with a smile, smile. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up?
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me. Don't know, I just know I want to. Don't know, I just know I want you. I'd rather be breaking things, 'cause we can't see. Too busy kissing.
Here's Zach, mom. Stop being a butt. There's Zach. That's my cousin Markel.
Let's go. Come on, girl. Let's go.
Where y'all going? Okay guys, don't mind the mess, but I just finished cooking some shrimp for the shrimp taco. Quality. Oh, there it goes. Yep, and for those, I just used this fajita seasoning. And then I also made some turkey meat for the tacos and just used regular taco seasoning. And then let me go around here. Then my cousin, she's cutting up all of the stuff that we're gonna put on our tacos. So we got onions, parsley, green peppers, and she's cutting up some tomatoes. And we also got some of this because I always use this on my tacos. And yeah. Asher, say hey.
Hey.
Say hey, India's subscribers.
Hi, subscribers.
Hi, subscribers.
Hi, subscribers.
So cute.
Wow.
Asher, you are just the cutest. Got my little wine. This is
What time is it now?
my favorite. Guess we used the whole bottle.
And we're going to get more.
Yep. Good morning, y'all. So today it is a beach day. This is our second day here in Panama. So we're gonna go down to the beach and, you know, just relax. I love the beach. I honestly feel like every time I come to the beach, it's just so relaxing to me. And I just feel like I belong here. So anywhere where the beach is, I feel like I belong. So, yep, we're gonna go down to the beach. Got my little sun hat to protect my skin. And yeah, we're gonna go down to the beach.
He about to just drop him too.
it? Yes, mother.
You gotta blow it out,
What are you
Ash.
doing?
Chris is calling me.
You can't call on there.
Blow on it.
Wait. Y'all gotta Oh, that decorative.
Wait, Asher, wait.
Yeah, like,
Wait, Asher.
Go. What Ashley at?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
We're gonna blow that together.
Happy birthday, dear Asher and Chris. Chris and Mommy, happy birthday to you. Yay! Chris.
He blew one of them out.
Blow, blow, blow. Get cake? Ready for cake?
Go to work.
We gotta be on class on vacation. Still on class.
Ethereum 14. I don't think you said yet, but this is the one that's found in the
Oh, y'all see these stingrays? There's 5 of them.
Yeah, still ain't all I seen them move.
Look how close they are. Look, I got it on camera. You see all of them. Look at them.
I can't wait. They checked my feet last night when you ain't there walking. Riding away right now.
India. Oh my God! Sorry.
There go one.
Yep, he's right there. Do it again! Oh my God!
Different species besides the Atlantic bottlenose, but these are the kind we do most often see here in the Gulf of Mexico. There's a couple of them circling on the left side of the
Oh my goodness.
I'm going to scoot us to the left so you guys on the right can get those up too. There's a pretty big group right here. Those are rocking the boat now. You guys got to quit that. Come on.
They go one right there. They going up.
for winning kids. Keep it going, keep it going. You give the kids a round of applause, everybody.
Don't know, I just know I want to. Don't know, I just know I want you. I'd rather